Man, I miss cool cars.
Alright guys, vlog episode number 4. We hope you guys are enjoying these. Let us know in the comments if you are. But let's get into what we're doing today.
It's cold in here.
Yeah, it's real cold.
I miss that warm weekend, dude. It was nice whenever it was.
Oh, it was gorgeous.
Nice.
Yeah, it was gorgeous. Yeah. Today's like the last day of like, I think cold weather. For the next 10 days anyways.
Yeah. I'm
seeing like 70.
Give it 2 weeks and it'll be 20 degrees again.
Yeah, oh for sure. We're getting our fake spring.
Yeah, our teaser.
Exactly, our teaser. So what, you're loading up turbo E36.
Heck yeah.
Engine built by us.
Had to pull it off. We had some boost leaks going on. Should be sealed up. Should make some power this time.
Yeah, because even with boost leaks, I think it was like, what, 350 something?
All right, it was still making some speed.
Yeah. So when is this thing supposed to be done? Is it like 3 weeks from now? That's what...
I think he wanted it in 2 weeks, but yeah.
In 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Oh God. That's a lot.
That's not happening. Realistically, I think a real time frame is probably end of March, so we have like a month to kind of wrap it up. There's a lot of little things to kind of work on and go through, but I think the bulk of the engineering and figuring out shit is done. So it's just a matter of kind of piecing it together at this point, and then function testing everything is the next big step.
No, wait, hold on. I don't know if we saw the other bushings. Is that what these are?
Yes.
The new bushings are actually...
These are the Millway ones. The Torque Solution ones did not fit. Oh, nice. These are very, their stuff's always super nice. Like, actually really light too. So that's the front one. The Torque Solutions one didn't have any of those flat spots on it.
Yeah, so they didn't fit.
They didn't have any of the flat spots, and the countersink over here wasn't deep enough. It hit the body. Look at that. The bushing actually touches the chassis. Amazing.
And what, yeah, because where are the old ones? Did you send them out already?
Sent that shit back.
Yeah, because they were just perfectly round. You see how these are grooved? They did not fit. The new ones do.
So I'm gonna go pop these in the freezer.
Shrink them down?
Yeah, shrink them on down a little bit. There's a rear. And these ones have the nice like ear cutout, so like if you ever actually want to remove them, they're removable. Nice addition. Much better product for sure, and the same price.
And you just have to wait longer to get them?
I had to have these come from the UK, so they were imported, but they were nice to me.
I guess one thing that we forgot to mention as of recent in these videos is this is Ford 8.8 rear end.
It has an 8.8. It's like the Seems Legit kit.
Just the whole cutout.
Yeah, that's what we went with. Yeah, that's where we're at. It fits.
Yeah, what transmission is this?
6XD. Took a look at this fancy ass shit over here.
6XD.
Yeah, so it's just a 6-speed sequential race car shit. Custom gears, and should be good to like 2,000 horsepower or something like that.
Which he's not going to be anywhere near.
No, we're going to be 800 maybe.
Yeah.
Went pretty well. Obviously it's clocked a little wrong, so we'll work with them. Probably have to get this one plate remade. It's off about like 5.5 degrees of rotation. So we'll get that straightened out. I think we can finish all our other stuff in the meantime to kind of get that section across the finish line, and we can finish all our wiring stuff. Get our drive shaft lengths once we get the subframe back in there. Engine's back in, cradle's up.
If you had an E46 non-M and you let that get hot and you ran it, you would blow your head gasket.
Yeah, not a B58?
Apparently not, because we haven't had any of that, and we've had so many normal people, you know what I mean, driving them. You know, not like just regular women driving them. Someone will be like, oh, it's hot, like it's telling me it's hot. I'll drive home and then...
Yeah. And then
like, if you did that in an E46, you would probably end up needing a motor. Because you're gonna blow your head gasket, then you're gonna replace it, and the heads are gonna turn because it's aluminum. But these motherfuckers, I mean, they've come in here dripping coolant. This has no coolant in it right now. If you had no coolant in your E46 non-M, you would be having a problem.
Yeah. So what did you say this one's in here for? All the coolant stuff?
All the coolant stuff, yeah. Whole box of oil filter housings, cooled, and then there's a water pump housing that goes to the side of the block, and it has a gasket on it that leaks. It's under the alternator. So basically you pull this intake manifold and replace all the stuff underneath of it. That's like plastic to aluminum that leaks.
What do we have here? Freaking Mini Cooper. What are you doing to it, Ben?
FRM repair.
FRM repair.
Yeah. Take it out, resolder everything, put it back together.
Yeah, we work on Mini Coopers now, so if you have a Mini Cooper, you can bring it here. I just don't know so much about the tuning side of things, what we're doing there. But regular service, we got you. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this episode. We hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you back in the next one.